Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Survey Maniac. So in today's video, I will show you how to avoid getting banned on survey apps when you are using VMOS Cloud phone. So, and if you find this video very helpful, please kindly click the like and subscribe button for more updates. And also my Telegram and WhatsApp channel was banned due to a report from a user, and I haven't created another one yet, but I will definitely drop a channel link today. So kindly stay tuned and check my profile. So first of all, you have to log into your VMOS Cloud. Let me log into my VMOS Cloud. Open your browser. Then you click on login. Then once you come to the main page like this, you'll see this small button at the top. This small button. Always click on reboot. So when you click on reboot, so you have to wait like 20 to 30 seconds for it to reboot. So it's still rebooting. So that's the first step you have to do anytime you want to log into your cloud, mobile cloud, VMOS Cloud phone. So then you click on open. So the second thing is you don't have to rush to open any app when you click on open, because sometimes I notice this VMOS Cloud, they unbind your IP thinking that you are still under US. So, and it may cost your account if you don't check it first. So the next thing I always do is to open my browser. Either I use this one or Chrome. Then I click on this ipdata.co or what.net. So you can see. So this is the first mistake I did when my first Tatapol account was banned. So I didn't check the IP. I just logged into the Tatapol straight, and I was banned. So when I later check my IP, I noticed it has already changed to another country. So you can see now, you already changed my IP to another country also. So if assuming I open my Atapol account, I will still get banned instantly again. So you can see. So this is what you have to avoid. You have to avoid anytime you open your VMOS Cloud. So since this has happened like this, then I will have to go back. I'll have to close this and click on. Let me clear all the app. So let me restart again. Let me exist and connect, bind my IP. So I've reconnected my IP now. So waiting for it to reboot again. So that was my first mistake I did, which caused my account to get banned. So before creating another account, so you can see now, you can see it has come back to the US. So let me reload again to confirm. So you can see. So now I'm safe to open any app right here. So you can see I don't have any issue right now since I've checked my IP and is correct. So you can see. So you won't have any problem. You won't have any problem when you check your IP. before you open any app. So you can actually see. So that's the method you have to start using now, because recently I noticed they keep unbinding account without you knowing. So if you find this video helpful, kindly click the like and subscribe button. Thank you. So I'll be dropping the group link under my profile today, so kindly check it out.